What does the name meaning of Israa? What does the name meaning of Israa? What does the name meaning of Israa? The name Israa means is various. The name Israa means is various. The name Israa means is various. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Lucky number is 2. Lucky number is 2. Lucky number is 2. Suitable color is yellow, white, light green. Suitable color is yellow, white, light green. Suitable color is yellow, white, light green. Suitable stone. Suitable stone. Suitable stone. Suitable days Thursday, Sunday. Suitable days Thursday, Sunday. Suitable days Thursday, Sunday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.